What if I told you that one of the most critical materials powering electric vehicles, semiconductors, and even nuclear reactors is something that looks as simple as pencil lead? But here is the twist. Not all graphite are same. There is a high-tech version of high-purity synthetic graphite, and it is quietly becoming one of the most in-demand material in the global economy. And the biggest opportunity, it is not where you think. India is emerging as a key player. Right now, countries and corporations are scrambling to secure stable supply chains for advanced material. Lithium gets all the attention but graphite. Graphite make up to 95% of a lithium-ion battery's anode. Without it, EV doesn't exist. And not just any graphite, manufacturers are demanding ultra-high purity synthetic graphite because of its consistency, performance and reliability. So, in this video, I am going to break down what high purity synthetic graphite really is, why it is outperforming natural graphite, the current and future global market size, import-export trends and top exporting countries, why India is becoming a strategic hub, and how you can actually source this material from India. Let's get into it. What is high purity synthetic graphite? High purity synthetic graphite is a man-made form of graphite produced from petroleum coke or coal tar pitch. It processed at extremely high temperatures, something about 3000 degree to achieve purity level of 99.9% carbon or higher. This make it structurally uniform, highly conductive, extremely durable, chemically stable. Number 2. Key benefit over natural graphite. Why are industry shifting toward synthetic graphite? Higher purity is equal to better battery performance. Consistent quality, critical for electronics and semiconductors. Customizable properties, tailored for specific applications. Longer lifespan, especially in EV batteries. That is why companies like Tesla and major battery manufacturers prefer synthetic graphite for premium applications. Global market size, present and future. Let's talk the number. This is where things get interesting. Current global synthetic graphite market is 7 to 9 billion dollar in 2024-25. Expected to reach 15 to 20 billion dollar by 2030. CAGR growth rate is 6 to 9% annually. But here is the real drive. The EV battery segment alone is exploding and expected to double demand for graphite by 2030. Import-export data and global trade flow. Top exporting countries. China dominate production. Japan high-tech specialty graphite. Germany and United States. Top importing countries. South Korea battery manufacturing hub. United States, Germany, Japan and China currently control over 60 to 70% of global graphite supply, which create a major geopolitical risk. That is why countries are actively looking for alternative suppliers. Number 5. Why India is becoming a major player? Here is where the opportunities lie. India has several advantages. Strong availability of raw material, growing chemical and carbon processing industry, competitive manufacturing cost, government push under Make in India, increasing investment in battery and EV ecosystem. India is not yet the largest exporter, but it is rapidly positioning itself as a reliable alternative to China, and global buyers are actively searching for Indian supply to diversify their sourcing. Application driving demand. High purity synthetic graphite is used in lithium-ion batteries, electrodes for steel manufacture, nuclear reactors, aerospace components, semiconductors, solar and renewable energy system. Basically, if it is high-tech, graphite is probably involved. Number 7. How you can source a high purity synthetic graphite from India. Now, let's make this practical. If you are a buyer, importer or manufacturer, here is how I can help you. Direct connection with verified Indian manufacturers, quality assurance with purity certification, 99.9%. Customized specification based on your application. Competitive pricing due to local sourcing, assistant with export documentation and logistics, reliable supply chain support. Instead of dealing with uncertainty from traditional suppliers, you can tap into Indian growing ecosystem with confidence. If you are serious about sourcing high purity synthetic graphite from India, or you just want to understand how this market can benefit your business? Comment graphite below and I will help you step by step sourcing directly from India.